What is up, everybody? My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at a roof wash job recap. I actually landed this job through a Facebook advertisement using my Facebook ad strategy. It's funny, back in about March, I was really looking into roof washing, what equipment was needed, some of the best practices, as well as, what chemicals I was going to need. And I quickly figured out that I was not going to be the one roof washing because A, I don't like getting on roofs. B, my setup currently is more just a residential setup. It's more just for house washes, concrete cleanings, and things of that nature. So I was like, okay, well, who can I team up with to do this? And I started looking around, talking to some of my friends. However, they weren't very serious. They didn't have all the knowledge necessary. And thank God that I found Mr. Billy, because I knew that if I just could find someone that knew how to do the work, that my marketing strategies could really ramp up the business. It's even opened us up to where I'm able to do some promotion with commercial properties through Facebook. We actually went and quoted 2 commercial leads that I converted through Facebook yesterday. One was for a $3,500 job. The other one was for a $7,000 job. I'm pretty sure we got the $3,500 job. I'm not sure, but you guys know that when we do it, I will record it. We'll do a job recap on it, the whole 9. But anyway, the main reason why I wanted to say that was because teaming up with Mr. Billy has really allowed me to open up my marketing strategies and see if they can be applicable to other bigger jobs such as this one. So we landed this roof wash. This lady was actually selling her house. Her house was on the market, and the roof wash was in the contract, basically. So it said, like, unless the roof is washed, the people were not going to buy it. And so she was closing fairly soon. Luckily, my Facebook advertisement got in front of her, and we were able to seal the deal on the quote and everything else and get it done. We were having a few problems on this job with the pump that we were using, the 12-volt pump, as well as we were batch mixing. So if you guys missed it in a recent vlog that I did, me and Billy actually went down to Alabama to meet with Cody from Southeast Soft Wash. We bought a skid that has a blend manifold, I believe is the correct terminology for it. So basically these jobs are going to get way easier for us. This one that we were doing was, we have to batch mix. Like I said, we were having some problems with the pump that we were using, so now it should be much easier. And I'm going to be able to ramp up the advertising campaigns for these. We're going to be able to do a bunch more of them, and I'm going to be able to share a bunch more with you guys on the channel. So that's pretty cool. As well as we are going to be doing, I'll probably do like a rig setup tour, show you guys what we got, how much it costs. I know there was a couple questions I got like that on the vlog, as well as we'll probably do a review on it, maybe after a couple jobs, if we would have gone with anything different. If you guys want to see that, definitely hit the thumbs up button for me. Leave me something down in the comment section if you guys want to see more about the rig and kind of hear a little bit more about how much it costs, what we would do differently, all that kind of stuff. So in this video, we didn't have the skid, like I mentioned, and I've been going real slow with the marketing on these roof washes just because we wanted to wait until we got the skid to do it. So we did have one other problem besides the rig kind of messing up a little bit on us, and I'll get to that towards the end. However, the lady was so happy with the job that we did on this one that she messaged me after and asked me how she could give me a review. I'm not sure if you guys know this or not, but Facebook used to have this feature where people could do star reviews, and back when I was running my mobile concession business, I relied so heavily on that. Literally every single job I did, I was just stacking reviews. I got like over 50 reviews, which really is a difficult task. A lot of you guys probably know this. When you ask somebody for a review, probably like 9 times out of 10 they don't give it to you, or you have to ask multiple times, and it's really a hassle to collect reviews. So this lady asked me if she could give me a review. Unfortunately, she couldn't because my Facebook page doesn't allow it. However, if you guys do have a Google My Business page, they can put it on there, or I have a couple of other ways of collecting them and utilizing them. But like I said, there was one other problem. You guys are going to see it towards the end. Basically, on the side of the house with the carport, it was like the worst, right? So there was moss growing on it. There was a bunch of stuff on it. So we did put a couple hot mixes on it, and it was treated. You guys will see the pictures. It is brown. There's a saying that Mr. Billy taught me with regards to roofs. If it's black, the customer's going to call you back. If it's brown, it'll wash down. So as you can see right here, he's double treating it. Here's a couple of after shots I got. Not really that great. The sun was going down. But as well as you guys can see all the brown on this side, it was the absolute worst. They were really worried that it wasn't going to wash down before closing. there wasn't any really heavy rains. So Mr. Billy and the crew came out one more time, just put a little bit more of a hot mix on it and really just finish up the cleaning process on it. Anyway, if you guys made it this far in the video, the word of the day is going to be brown will wash down. Comment that down below and I will hashtag you a real one. My name is Justin. This is Forever Self-Employed. And until next time, hustle hard and get that money, baby. Peace.